Sponsored post, pero sinamahan ko sina Ate Pat and Ate Jo, friends ko from college, na mag-color analysis dito sa Myeongdong, dito sa Seoul. At napadpad kami dito sa Kokori. Marami silang branch. So it's a 1-hour program for both of them. And then nagbayad lang sila ng 3,500 pesos each. May add-on na yon na makeup analysis. Pinag-fill-outan sila ng assessment. May ginawang pagmamatch-match ng color kung saan magbe-brighten yung face nila or yung skin nila. Nag-recommend yung expert doon ng perfect color for them. Iba-iba for clothes, for makeup, even for jewelry. Very nice yung expert doon. So apparently yung Kokori, yan pala yung first ever na silang origin ng color analysis dito sa Korea. Tapos marami silang branches. Mabusisi. It requires a certification talaga at may school. May school talaga for that. Kung mag-color analysis, alam niyo na kung saan kayo pupunta. Okay? Tapos mura na daw yung 3,500 guys. Kung magbubook kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, you can use my promo code DAVEAGODA. Capital letters yan. Make sure to redeem on Agoda mobile app para maka 10% off kayo. Kung magbubook kayo ng inyong activities and tours sa Agoda, you can use my promo code KURIPOTAGODA para maka 5% off kayo. And guys, may promo code pa rin tayo sa Klook. It's Dave Gino Klook para sa inyong hotel and activities. Pero guys, one-time redemption na lang siya. So kung na-redeem nyo na, you can try Agoda naman for your tours and activities. Okay?